If you're looking for the best electric wheelchair but not sure which one is actually worth buying, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best electric wheelchairs you can buy right now. I'll break down comfort, portability, battery range, and overall value so you can decide which electric wheelchair makes the most sense for your daily needs. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Porto Mobility Ranger Discovery XL Wide Seat Lightweight Foldable Heavy-Duty Weatherproof Electric Wheelchair, Portable, only 50 pounds Powerful Motors All-Terrain Folding Power Wheelchair. The Porto Mobility Ranger Discovery XL is built for a very specific group of US buyers, people who need a heavier-duty, more stable electric wheelchair that can handle outdoor use, not just smooth indoor floors. What this chair is best known for in the US market is its combination of a wider seat, strong motors, and all-terrain capability. That XL design matters more than you might think. In American households, comfort and space are a big deal, especially for longer sitting periods, and this chair delivers a roomier seating experience compared to compact travel models. In real-world US use, this wheelchair fits situations like outdoor use on sidewalks, parks, and uneven surfaces. Suburban living where you may need to travel longer distances outside. Trips to places like malls, grocery stores, or community events. Users who need a more stable and supportive ride. The all-terrain capability is a major advantage. Unlike ultralight travel chairs that struggle on grass or rough pavement, this one is designed to handle a wider range of surfaces. That makes it more practical for everyday American environments, where not every path is perfectly smooth. Another big strength is the foldable design. Even though it's a heavier-duty chair, it can still be folded and transported in a car trunk or SUV, which is important for families or caregivers. Number 2. Vive Lightweight Electric Wheelchair for Adults, Foldable Power Wheelchair, Collapsible, Folding, Ultralight, Motorized, Lightweight Travel Senior Carbon Fiber Mobility Aid, weighs 39 pounds. The Vive Lightweight Electric Wheelchair takes a completely different approach. This one is all about portability, travel, and ease of handling, which makes it extremely appealing to US buyers who are always on the go. What it's best known for in the American market is its ultra-lightweight carbon fiber construction, coming in at around 39 pounds. That's a big deal. For many users or caregivers, being able to lift and transport the chair without struggle is a game changer. In real-world US use, this chair is ideal for travel, including road trips and flights. Urban living where space is limited. Frequent car transport, doctor visits, errands, social outings. Seniors who need mobility assistance but still want independence. The foldable, collapsible design makes it easy to store in a trunk or even a closet. For apartment dwellers or smaller homes, that's a huge advantage over bulkier models. Another strength is ease of use. It's designed to be straightforward, with intuitive controls that don't require a steep learning curve. However, this lightweight design comes with trade-offs. It's not built for rough terrain. On uneven sidewalks, grass, or gravel, it won't perform as confidently as heavier-duty models like the Porto Mobility Chair. The seating is also more compact, which may not be as comfortable for extended use or for larger individuals. This chair is best for US buyers who prioritize portability and travel convenience. Need a lightweight option for frequent transport. Live in apartments or smaller homes. Use the wheelchair for shorter trips and daily errands. Number 3. SLF 30 Electric Wheelchairs for Adults, Foldable Durable Motorized Wheelchair with 19-inch seat and supports up to 300 pounds airline approved. The SLF 30 electric wheelchair falls right into that middle category in the US market, not ultra-lightweight, not heavy-duty tank level, just a balanced, everyday mobility solution. That's actually where a lot of American buyers land. What it's best known for is being a reliable, travel-friendly folding power chair with solid weight capacity and practical comfort. The 19-inch seat is a key detail here. In the US, seating comfort matters, and this size works well for a wide range of adults without feeling too cramped. In real-world American use, this chair fits into daily indoor use around the house or apartment. Trips to grocery stores, malls, and doctor appointments. Occasional outdoor use on sidewalks and paved paths. Travel situations, including flights, thanks to its airline-approved design. The foldable frame makes it much easier to transport compared to traditional power wheelchairs. You can fit it in most car trunks, which is important for families or caregivers handling transportation. Another strength is the 300 pounds weight capacity, which covers a large portion of US users while still keeping the chair relatively manageable in size and weight. Now, the trade-offs. This isn't designed for rough terrain. While it handles sidewalks and smooth outdoor areas just fine, it's not built for grass, gravel, or uneven ground. It's also not as lightweight as premium travel chairs, so lifting it into a car still requires some effort. This chair is best for US buyers who want a balanced, everyday electric wheelchair. Need something travel-friendly but still comfortable. Use it both indoors and for light outdoor errands. Number 4. Ranger Magnum Ultra Heavy Duty Folding Electric Wheelchair, All-Terrain, Weatherproof, Dual 350W motors, 660 pounds capacity, dual side batteries. The Ranger Magnum Ultra Heavy Duty is on the opposite end of the spectrum. It's built for maximum strength, durability, and outdoor performance. In the US, this type of wheelchair is aimed at users who need something far more rugged than standard folding chairs. What it's best known for is its extreme weight capacity, up to 660 pounds, and all-terrain capability. That's significantly higher than most electric wheelchairs on the market, making it a specialized solution. In real-world US environments, this chair is ideal for outdoor use on grass, gravel, dirt paths, and uneven terrain. Rural or suburban areas where surfaces aren't always smooth. Users who need extra stability and reinforced support. Long-distance outdoor mobility. The dual 350W motors provide serious power, especially when dealing with inclines or rough surfaces. Combined with dual batteries, you get extended range and reliability for longer outings. The weatherproof design is another big advantage, especially in parts of the US with unpredictable weather. You don't have to worry as much about light rain or outdoor conditions. But here's the reality: this is a large, heavy-duty machine. Even though it folds, it's still bulky and heavy, making transport more challenging. It's not something you'll casually lift into a car without assistance. It's also overkill for indoor use or small apartments, where maneuverability matters more than raw power. This chair is best for US buyers who need maximum weight capacity and durability. Spend a lot of time outdoors on varied terrain. Live in rural or less accessible areas. Prioritize strength and stability over portability. Number 5. Electric wheelchair for adults, 15 miles long travel range, lightweight folding, motorized power chair for indoor-outdoor mobility. This type of lightweight folding electric wheelchair represents one of the most common categories in the US: simple, portable, and designed for everyday convenience. What it's best known for is ease of use and accessibility. It's designed to be straightforward: fold it, transport it, use it indoors and outdoors without much hassle. In real-world American use, this chair fits perfectly into indoor mobility around the home, short outdoor trips like sidewalks or local stores, doctor visits, shopping, and social outings. Users who need a reliable but uncomplicated mobility aid. The 15-mile range is practical for daily errands. For most US users, that's more than enough for a day of movement without needing to recharge. The lightweight folding design is the biggest advantage. Compared to heavy-duty models, this is much easier to store and transport, especially for caregivers or family members. However, like most lightweight chairs, it has limitations. It's not built for rough terrain, and performance on grass or uneven surfaces will be limited. That wraps up our review of the 5 best electric wheelchairs available right now. Each one offers a different mix of comfort, mobility, and features depending on your lifestyle and budget. If one of these stood out to you, check the links in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.